Hey, morning guys, this is Ken here at Bless Farm. I want to talk to you a little bit about predators and around your chickens, and especially owls. Well, so there you go, guys. The chicken stopped sleeping in the coop, and the result of that was I lost a Rhode Island Red Hen. Her head, neck, and the crop, it was gone, eaten away. So to me, this is a sign of a big owl, because it was eaten, and it wasn't all eaten. If it was a raccoon, it would would have really eaten a lot, probably killed a lot more. If it was a possum, it would have eaten the breast out of it, and done a lot more damage to just the head and neck. And the hawks, they like to hunt during the day where they can fly over and see the prey and not just, swoop down in the middle of the night. So I'm thinking we have a big old horned owl. So I'm going to try to sit up here tonight and see if I can see it or catch it or see what I can do with it. Try to catch him in the act, see what he's going to do, So I'm going to tie this dead hen out there and see if he comes back and tries to finish it off, all right? We'll see what happens. Well, guys, he came back, and he came down and basically tried to tear it apart, took pieces up in a tree and ate him up. And so it is a big old horned owl out there, okay? So we do have one out there, so we're going to try to catch him or try to get him to get away from the farm as far as we can get him to go. If we can catch him, we'll get a hold of the game warden to come pick him up and take him away. So see you again, see if we can catch him this time. Okay guys, there you go. Owls versus chickens. Keep your chickens safe. Keep them locked up, even though they get hot. You know, put them some water in there and it'd be all right. Hey, I want to give a big shout out to Brad and Christy over there at Big Family Homestead for the great intro they made for our farm. It's a wonderful thing for it. Tell me what you think about it. That's from Brad and Christy over there at Big Family Homestead. They did a wonderful job, man. I want to thank them so much for that. It was a godsend blessing for us. Hey, man, I thank y'all for watching and subscribing. You can see us here on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Check us out, man. So you guys be good, and last and always, live well, and God bless. We'll see y'all really soon. Y'all take care. Oh, almost forgot. Food for all. Check us out. See what you think. Talk to y'all soon. See you later.